If you want to change chat mode in Cursor AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch between the different chat modes so you can get better results depending on what you're working on. Whether you want to plan a project, debug code, handle multiple tasks, or just ask quick questions, choosing the right mode makes a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is running, look to the top right of the interface and click the plus button. This opens up a new chat area or conversation where you can start interacting with the assistant. If you already have a chat open, you can usually switch modes from there as well, but starting fresh makes it easier to follow along. Now in the chat window, look for the chat mode menu. Depending on the layout of your Cursor version, you'll usually find it near the chat header or close to the prompt box where you type your message. It may appear as a drop-down labeled with the current mode. Click that drop-down to see the available chat modes. Once the menu opens, you'll see the different options Cursor gives you. The first one is Plan Mode. Use Plan Mode when you want Cursor to help you create project roadmaps, break a big task into smaller steps, build a checklist, or map out a feature or workflow before you start coding. This is especially useful when you want to think through the whole process before making changes. Next is Debug Mode. Choose debug mode when you're trying to fix errors, analyze bugs, troubleshoot code, or understand why your tests are failing. This mode is ideal when something isn't working and you want Cursor to focus on identifying the issue and helping you solve it step by step. Another option is Multitask mode. This is helpful when you're managing multiple tasks at once or working across several objectives. If you're keeping track of different development activities and want Cursor to help organize everything, Multitask mode is the one to use. And then there's Ask Mode. Use Ask Mode when you want quick answers, explanations, definitions, code examples, or general questions answered directly. This is the most straightforward mode for simple prompts where you just want a fast and clear response. So, to change chat mode in Cursor AI, all you need to do is open Cursor, click the plus icon, open the mode drop-down, and select the mode that best fits your goal. If you're planning, use Plan Mode. If you're debugging, use Debug Mode. If you're juggling several tasks, use Multitask Mode. And if you just want a quick answer, choose Ask Mode. That's really all there is to it. Once you get used to switching modes, Cursor becomes much more powerful and much easier to use for different kinds of work. Try each mode based on the task in front of you, and you'll quickly notice how much better the responses become. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Cursor AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.